Marjorique, are you okay? I saw a news article on Facebook. I think it was the Heidelberg Gazette. On their Facebook page, they posted an article about Lwandle, there where you live. And they showed some pictures and they wrote the article in context of this March and March protest that's going on all over the country. The anti-foreigner xenophobic marches that's going on. It is there in Lwandle now happening, there where you live, Marjorique, and you are a refugee. You must watch out. Fish, protect your children and your wife and go somewhere else where it's safe. You should move. I think you earn enough money to move away. That place is dangerous. You must find a safe place where the marches don't necessarily happen normally. And you must move there, okay? You have a full-time job now. You can afford to move out of that place.